What's up, you guys, and welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Alexandra, and yes, you guys, I did get my hair cut, and I absolutely love it. I did not think that I was going to love it as much as I do, but yeah, I needed something a little bit shorter for the summertime and just, easier, and a couple of you guys, I'm not gonna call you out, but a couple of you guys emailed me and you were like, Alex, listen, you need to do something for yourself. Like you do a lot, and you do a lot for your family and everyone else. You need to do something for yourself. And sometimes we just need that little push, we need to be told, because I know, like, especially as a mom, you kind of feel guilty, doing anything for yourself at all. Like everything you want to do for everyone else. But sometimes you can't take care of other people if you're not taking care of yourself. So I do appreciate those of you guys that emailed me and were like, Alex, listen here, girl. You know what I mean? I needed that. I really did. Sometimes we just need that push. So let's talk about today's video, because we got a couple of Boxycharms. We got my Boxycharm base box and premium box to talk about. It is what I'm wearing, or sort of partially what I'm wearing on my face. So we will talk about those products when we get to it. If you guys are ready, let's get into this. All right, you guys, so I need your help with something. If you don't care about giving me your opinion and you just care about what the boxes are, I'm going to put the timestamp for you right here, but I need your help with something. So as you guys know, Liam just turned 2, right? And he's starting to climb out of his crib, and I'm like really freaking out. Steve and I both are, that he's going to like flip over the side, because he like holds on to the edge and like puts his stomach on it and like flips over. And I'm scared to death he's gonna break his neck. Okay, so I've been looking at toddler beds, and I have it narrowed down to 2, and I cannot decide which one that I want, because one of them is up off the floor. So I'll put this one. It's the Mickey Mouse one. So they both have tents on them, because he really likes tents. You know what I mean? So I picked out 2 different tent beds. So one is a Mickey Mouse one is Spider-Man. The Spider-Man one isn't a full-length tent bed. It's only over like half of it. But the Spider-Man one sits on the floor, and the Mickey Mouse one is up off the floor. So I like the one that is up off the floor better. And I know this is going to sound crazy, but like, what if a spider gets in his room? You know what I'm saying? Like, seriously though, this is like what's going through my head. What if a spider gets into his room, and like, he's like easy prey, because he's right there on the floor. It can just like, which like, if the one up off the floor, it has to, you know what I'm saying? Like, it has to go through a little more trouble to get to him, which I'm a weirdo, like, that sprays everything down like twice a year, you know what I mean? Because I'm so scared. Like, I go around all the corners of the walls and stuff. But just in case something crosses that barrier, like, I don't know. But I like the Spider-Man one better. I feel like he would like the Spider-Man one better. He likes Mickey Mouse and Spider-Man. So either one, I know he would be happy with, quite frankly. But I don't know, like, if I should go with one on the floor. And also, is it going to be more comfortable because it's flat on the floor? Like, I don't know, you guys. I need to know for moms, because it's been so long. Cadence is 15. The last time I did a toddler bed with her was a long time ago. So I can't remember. And hers was up off the floor. But I also remember her flipping that. I don't know, you guys. I need help. I really do need help. Okay, let's just get into this box, because I know some of you guys are here for that. And I'm going to have somebody below in the timestamps like, she didn't get to the unboxing until 3 minutes. And you know what I'm saying. All right, so this month's Boxycharm is Sweet Treat. So this is my base box first, the $25 box. I do pay for both of these. And this is C2104023BA is the variation. All right, so the first thing we are going to pull out here is the Unicorn Dust Trend Beauty Highlighter. And I have not used this. Honestly, you guys, I have so many highlighters. It looks very, very pretty. It really looks for somebody that has more light to medium skin. I don't really see a darker highlighter in here. So if you have dark skin, this might not work so well for you, but you could possibly use it on your eyes. So I am actually going to put this in a giveaway for you guys. Stay tuned for that, because I got details and info on that. So the next product in here is from Terra de Mars, and this is actually a Radition Body Cleanser. Now, we received a Terra de Mars product in, I think, the box, but I wasn't the biggest fan of it. I know some people really liked it, and you know, when it comes to stuff like this, it's all about preference. It's all about what kind of smells you like and stuff like that. So this smell wise is just not my favorite smell. I cannot use this on my body. I didn't like the shampoo. So again, I'll probably put that in a giveaway. The next product here we have is from Dragon Beauty. And this is her Dragon Fire Color Corrector. Now, I actually already have one of these from Dragon Beauty, which I think I actually got in the very first Boxycharm premium box. It's the orange one. So this is the lavender one. Now, I will say this. If you have a more dark toned skin, the orange one or darker orangish brown one is probably going to help you out better. But this does actually work pretty well for if you have really, really dark, like really dark pigmentation or hyperpigmentation spots on your face. Now, this did work pretty well, but I did test it out and I'll show you guys this clip. It didn't cover up like my pigmentation on my face completely. It covered it up mostly, but not completely. And it also didn't cover up the redness on my forehead. So I got my eyebrows waxed yesterday, and it didn't do anything for that. Like, you could totally see it all the way through my makeup. So just giving you guys a forewarning, if you have a severe redness or severe hyperpigmentation, the lavender is probably not going to help you. I would definitely go with the darker orange one. So maybe you guys can trade it on like a Boxycharm group or something like that, or even look it up on a Mercari page. I know a lot of people like resell their stuff on Mercari. So, you know, maybe look into the orange one if you have like something crazy. But if it's just something lighter, you should be fine with the lavender one. The next product here is from Touch in Sol. This is the Icy Sherbet Primer. It says it's silicone free and has a cooling effect. Now, I have not tried this product out yet. And the reason being is because I actually do really like Touch in Sol, as you can see. I love this primer, their no problem primer. So I'm gonna wait and hold off opening this one and using it because I don't want to be wasteful. I'm gonna finish using this one. As you guys can see, I'm really getting down. I'm almost finished with it. So once I finish this one out, then I'm gonna give this one a try right here. But I do like their primers a lot. So I'm definitely interested to give this one a go, and I'll let you guys know what I think about it, hopefully in a future updates video. Which reminds me, let me know down below in the comments if you guys would be interested in me doing a full update video on all the products that I get in my boxes, or maybe do like an update at the beginning of the next month's box. So like next month in May, give you guys an update at the beginning of the Boxycharm video about the products that I'm getting. You know what I'm saying? Let me know what you guys think about that. So the last product here is what I do have on my eyes currently, and this is the Natasha Denona Jubilee palette. And this palette is absolutely gorgeous. Now, I know that she did have, or Boxycharm did offer two different variations. There was like a brown neutral tone palette, and then there was this one. I did play in every single color in this palette, and again, it is what I have on my eyes currently, and I absolutely love this. I love Natasha Denona's formula. I love her palettes, and I just love something colorful like this in the spring. So I'm kind of glad that I got the Jubilee. I know a lot of people were wanting the brown tone one, but for me, that worked perfectly. All right, let's talk about the premium box. So this was their, oh my gosh, how much is Boxycharm Premium? I don't even know anymore. It's like $35, I think. Again, I do pay for it, but it just comes right out of my account, so I don't even pay any attention to how much it is anymore. Okay, so this is variation C2104286-PM. The PM's for premium. And again, it's sweet treats. So the first thing that I got another Natasha Denona palette. Now, I will say I wasn't as fond of this one. I actually like the Jubilee one better, which is surprising, I know. I figured I would like this one better. So this is the Natasha Denona Coral palette, and it's really pretty, and it looks like something that I would love and wear consistently, but it just, when I was playing with it, it just missed the mark. Like the formula just, I don't know, wasn't quite there, especially this middle color. I really loved this middle color right here, and as you can see, when I put it on my finger, it looks fantabulous, but then when you put it on, like, see, it's very, like, do you see that? It's very sheer. It's not that opaque formula, like, and even when you layer it one on top of the other, like, it was just, you know, it's great when it catches the light, but it just wasn't what I wanted it to be. You know what I mean? So yeah, it's a good palette and I will use it, but I kind of wish that I wouldn't have stuck my fingers in it and tried it, because I would have put it in a giveaway for you guys, because I know one of you guys would probably enjoy it a lot more and get way more use out of it than I do. But it's not a terrible palette. It's just, I like the Jubilee one a little better, okay? All right, so the next thing in here I got was from Dose of Colors, and this is their eyeliner in the color Unbox. Now, I am not going to unbox this eyeliner. The reason being is because I have it, and it's a really good eyeliner. It's not my all-time favorite, but it's a really good, reliable eyeliner. It is one of those like retractable eyeliners, and then on this end there's one of those little self-sharpeners, so you can sharpen the tip and make it super pointy. So I do like it for that reason, but again, it's not my all-time favorite. Like, my favorite, I would have to say, is probably the one by Milk Makeup, which is surprising because I don't love all their products, but their eyeliners are amazing. So I'm going to put this one in a giveaway for you guys. Again, stay tuned for information on that. The next product, and actually the next two products, is by Marc Jacobs. So this is their Sequins Glam Glitter Liquid Eyeshadow in the color Shimmy Dip. Now, I'm not going to open this up and swatch it. The reason being is because I just have a lot of stuff like this, you guys. So I am going to put this in a giveaway for you guys. The other thing I will say about Marc Jacobs products, and I do love Marc Jacobs, don't get me wrong, I own a lot of Marc Jacobs products, but I will tell you guys, don't ever pay full price for them. Ever, ever. And the reason being is because, I mean, as soon as Marc Jacobs products come out, especially like at Sephora, you will see them in their sale section not even a month later. And I'll give you a really good example. Their two newest products that they just launched, the bronzer, blush, and highlighter, the Trio, that one, and the Cover Shot Caffeine Concealer Foundation. Yeah, both of those are already in Sephora's sale section. So don't ever pay full price for Marc Jacobs. Just wait it out. It'll be in their sales section very soon. So next product in here is also, again, by Marc Jacobs, and this is their Undercover Blurring Coconut Primer, if I can get it open here. Now, I'm also not trying on and using this product because I have already owned it, and this product broke me out heavily. The reason being is because, as it states, it does have coconut in there. So if coconut oils don't bother your face, like they don't bother my body, just my face. I don't know why, but they always break me out. And that's the one thing about his face products, his primers, his concealers, bronzers, it has coconut oil or coconut in there somewhere. They're very heavy on the coconut. So if you too have very sensitive skin to coconut oil, I wouldn't recommend this at all. If you don't have a problem with it, it is very conditioning for your skin. So, you know, if you can use it, definitely use it for sure. But if your skin's sensitive to it, yeah, I would stay away from it. So I'm going to put that in the giveaway for you guys. And then this product is from Wonder Beauty, and this is the Do Not Disturb Overnight Repair Concentrate. And now I'm not going to completely open this up for you guys because I am going to put this in the giveaway for you all, but that is what the outside packaging looks like. They do have really cute packaging. Now, I will say this about Wonder Beauty. They have some products, like their brow gel is one of my favorites, like top two, I would say, by far. However, their skincare products, I'm not the biggest fan of. They have broken me out in the past, but I know not everybody has as sensitive skin as I do, and some people really rave about their products. So I don't want to like take away from someone else, which is why I'm just going to put this in a giveaway, because I know some people really do love and swear by their skincare. I'm just not one of them. It really just comes down to preference. The last product, I think, yes, the last product we have in here is by Rowan, and this is the Kiss My Liquid Lip Balm in the color Charlie. And I did try this on earlier. I had to wipe it back off, you guys. I look like a clown a little bit with the eye makeup and this color lip. It was just a little too much, but I will say I did really, really like this. First off, packaging A+++. I don't know why. I just love it. It's very sleek looking. I love the clear cap. I don't know why, but I do. Absolutely love it. And I love the doe foot. The doe foot applicator, something about these, I really feel like you can really get in there and apply that product, and it just holds products so much better. Now, this does have, and I can smell it now, a very minty smell, but it did not like sting my lips, because you guys know I don't like the like really crazy lip plumpers. Like I do like, for instance, like the Buxom ones, but this is about as far as I go. Like this is the height of my lip plumping, you know, ability. I can't use like the ones by like Too Faced, for instance, but these are okay. This, on the other hand, it didn't give me that tingly feeling, and maybe it's because I used the Buxom earlier, but I didn't get any kind of tingly feeling. I just could smell like the mintiness in it, but I really enjoyed the actual lip balm. It's very creamy, very smooth. It's not like super creamy. It's like kind of in between liquid but creamy, very opaque. I'll go ahead and swatch it for you guys. The color is absolutely gorgeous. Yeah, so see this? You can sheer it out like that right there, or you can definitely build it up. And I love this color. Yeah, there we go. I love that color. Look at that. I just love it. Love it, love it, love it. So anyways, this I am looking forward to using a lot more of. So I did really enjoy that product. Altogether, this wasn't a terrible Boxycharm premium box, but I feel like, I mean, you definitely got your $35 worth. You definitely got your $35 worth by far. I mean, just with the Natasha Denona palette alone, the lip gloss I loved. You know, if you don't have this eyeliner from Dose of Colors, it's a great eyeliner. Wander Beauty, again, it's all about preference and your skincare routine. And then Marc Jacobs, I feel like these are kind of items that you find at TJ Maxx or in the sales section at Sephora, a lot in the sales section at Sephora, but they're not bad products. Again, it's just all about, you know, your skin type, your preference, what breaks you out, what doesn't, that sort of thing. Altogether, you guys, I don't think these were very bad boxes. I think they were actually pretty good. They weren't my favorite Boxycharm boxes, but they were pretty good boxes. Definitely good for sure. All right, so let me tell you guys what my plan is for the giveaway, because I'm not doing it in this video. No, because I don't want people to just, you know, like, you guys know I do it for you, my loyal subscribers, for you guys. So this weekend, I have a very special video planned. We're going to just have some fun. We're just going to have some fun unboxing a couple things. I got a couple mystery boxes that I've been holding on to and some other things. And we're just going to have a little fun trying on some stuff and unboxing some stuff together. And I'm going to have a couple giveaways in there. I also am going to be doing, if you guys remember at the beginning of the year, January, February, I've been picking a loyal subscriber to give away something to. So I did already choose our next loyal subscriber for the month of March. I'm really excited to announce that. So all you have to do to win the loyal subscriber of the month is just be a subscriber and just comment and watch my videos. That's it. So I'm really excited to share all that with you guys. So if you're not subscribed, make sure you do. Definitely make sure you have your notification bell set, because I'm going to be giving away both, basically everything you guys saw in this video that I said I was giving away, plus a little more, plus we got the loyal subscriber, plus what's coming in this box. It's going to be like a subscriber heyday video just for you guys, because I want to show you guys my appreciation. Like I say it over and over again, I would not ever be able to do this if it wasn't for you guys. And sorry about that, you guys. I had to sneeze, had to cut that out. You didn't want to see it. Trust me, my sneezes sound weird. Anyways, so what I was saying was I really do appreciate everything. And as I've said 100 times, I would never have the ability to do this if it wasn't for you guys. So I cannot show you my appreciation enough. So anyways, make sure you guys are definitely here for the subscriber video, because it's basically a thank you to you guys, and we're just going to have some fun, and maybe we might even do a live. Let me know. Would you guys like to do it during a live? No, let's just do a video. Let's just do a video. We'll just do a video. Okay. So anyways, I just want to have some fun with you guys and just sit and chill and hang out and maybe share some things about myself. And then I got a lot planned. I don't want to tell you guys too much, but anyways, make sure that you stay tuned and keep an eye out for the subscriber thank you video. It will be coming this weekend. I'm going to try to get it up tomorrow, no later than Sunday, but it will be going up this weekend no matter what. I promise. All right. So until next time, you guys, see ya.